massive landslide in Abbottabad in January 2010 killed 23 villagers and blocked an upstream part of the Hunza River in Gilgit Baltistan, creating a large artificial lake that left an estimated 30,000 people stranded. The lake waters also cut off a key stretch of the 800-mile Karakoram highway. The world's highest international motorway connecting Pakistan to China serves as a lifeline to Gilgit. The local businesses have since fallen flat as China suspended a bulk of its trade with the region following the blockage.
यहाँ इंटरनेशनल सियाह जो है वो ख़त्म हो गए कारोबार उसके बाद ठप डोमेस्टिक जो है 1-2-3 साल हमारे साथ दिया इस साल अताबा झील ने जो है कारोबार हमारा ख़त्म कर दिया.
But little did the residents of this remote Himalayan region know that they were in for more trouble. Unusual heavy monsoon rains lashed the region, triggering the worst floods in over 8 decades. The deluge that began in early August washed away all that was there in the name of infrastructure. International commerce along this route and the only regularly functioning trade corridor has now completely stopped. Traders in Gilgit said their faltering business has caused many to default on their bank loans.
बैंक से लोन निकाल के हमने कारोबार शुरू किया था. अभी लोन देने के लिए पैसे नहीं है.
आजकल हमारे कारोबार जो है बिल्कुल ही मतलब जीरो पे आ गया है. पहले काम अच्छा था. आजकल तो हम सारा दिन बैठ के स्टॉक का इंतजार करते रहते हैं.
The residents already under Islamabad's autocratic rule say there is no support from the local government. The business community, the only eligible taxpayer in the region, is more distraught at the administration's inaction.
बार-बार मुझे लोग कहते हैं जी आपकी हुकूमत, तो आप भी जानते हैं, ये लोग भी जानते हैं कि हमारी हुकूमत बन के अभी 5 महीना है और हमारी सिचुएशन क्या है ये भी आपको पता है. तो मैंने पहले भी ये कहा अब हमें मजीद कमेंट्स देने की जरूरत नहीं है. सिर्फ एक बात मैं कहूँगा, अब हमें दुआओं की जरूरत है. कौम से मेरी यही अपील है कि हम दुआ करें कि इससे हमारा जो है ना मुसीबत हमारा सर से टट जाए.
The region does not seem to figure in Islamabad's flood relief calendar. While the Zardari government has received assistance and pledges of more than $1 billion, little has trickled into Gilgit Baltistan. Various groups from the region have now issued direct appeal for relief from donors after a bulk of international aid coming into Pakistan was cornered by politically influential provinces of the country.